Good morning, Ronald. I am Pawan Kumar, Mathematics, Grade 7, Subject Max, Exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. The first sum is find. The question is first sum, first Roman, 1/4 of first one A, 1/4 of 1/4, and B 3/5, and C 4/3. Find first part 1/4 of A, the next 1/4 of B, the next one 1/4 of C. First is on the 1/4 of A. Solution 1/4 of A. 1/4 into A. A is also 1/4. 1/4 into 1/4 is equal to 1 into 1. First we multiply the numerator part. The next we multiply the denominator part. 1 into 1 is equal to 1 by 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. So our answer is 1/16. The next one 1/4 of 3/5. 1/4 into 3/5. First we multiply the numerator into numerator. Our numerator part is 1 and 3. So 1 into 3, then whole divided by 4 into 5. Denominator part, our denominator part is 4 into 5. Next 1 into 3 is equal to 3 by 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. The next one, C part. 1/4 of 4/3. 1/4 of 4/3. 1/4 into 4/3. 1 into 4. First we multiply the numerator. 1 into 4. Then divided by 4 into 3. It is a denominator part. 4 into 3. First we multiply the numerator part. 1 into 4. 4 by 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Our answer is 4/12. We change the lowest form. 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12. So our answer is 1/3. Our answer is 1/3. Listen here. Find the first one 1/4 of A. 1/4 of A. 1/4 of A part is 1/4. 1/4 into 1/4 is equal to 1 into 1. Next one denominator 4 into 4. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 4 4s are 16. The next one B part 3/5. 1/4 of 3/5. So 1/4 into 3/5. We first multiply the numerator part 1 into 3. The denominator for 4 into 5. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Then divided by 4 into 5 is equal to 20. The next one C part 4/3. So 1/4 into 4/3. 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. 1 into 4 divided by 4 into 3. 1 into 4 is equal to 4 divided by 4 into 3 is equal to 12. We take the fourth table. 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12. Listen here. Just solve for 4 4 cancel. 1 into 1. Here 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 3 3. So our answer is 1 by 3. The next one. The next one, second one, multiply and reduce the lowest term. Multiply and reduce the lowest term. The first one is 2 by 3 into, then second one is 2 into 2 by 3. The first term is a fraction, then second term is a mixed fraction. First term is a fraction, then second one is a mixed fraction. So 2 by 3 into 2 into 2 by 3 is equal to, first one 2 by 3 into 2 into 2 by 3. This is a mixed fraction. We convert to the fraction. So 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. We multiply 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus numerator term. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Listen here. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 then divided by denominator part is 3. Listen here. 2 by 3 into 8 by 3. So our answer is numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 2 into 8. Then divided by 3 3s are 9. 2 into 8. Then divided by 3 3s are 9. 2 8s are 16. Then divided by 9. 16 divided by 9. We want to mix the fraction because our question part is reduce the lowest term. Question part is reduce the lowest term. So 16 divided by 9. 16 divided by 9. So our division part is 16 divide 9. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18s. But here 16 only having. So 1 9 is 9. 16 minus 7, 9. 16 minus 9. We want to minus 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So next one, mixed fraction. So what is the mixed fraction? Already we know that mixed fraction is equal to quotient into remainder divided by divisor. Quotient into remainder divided by divisor. Our quotient part is 1 is a cube, it is a divisor part, it is a remainder part. So mixed fraction is equal to q into r by d. Our q is 1 and then r 7, then divisor part 9. So our answer is 1 into 7 by 9. 1 into 7 by 9. The next one. Second one, 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. is equal to 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. We cancel the 7. 1 7 is 7. Here also 1 7 is 7. Remaining the numerator 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then divided by 1 into 9 is equal to 9. 1 into 9 is equal to 9. So our answer is 2 by 9. Our answer is 2 by 9. The next one, third one. Three by 8 into 6 by 4. We want to multiple and reduce the lowest term. Multiple and reduce the lowest term. Our question part is 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4 is equal to, we cancel second table, 3 2s are 6, here also second table, 4 2s are 8, listen here, 3 by 8 into 6 by 4, we cancel 2 tens, second table, 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8, listen here, 3 into 3, 3 into 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9. Then 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 9 divided by 16. 9 divided by 16. Listen here. 9 divided by 16. So listen. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. We cancel the second table, 8 and 6. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Next we multiply the numerator into numerator and the last we multiply the denominator into denominator. Numerator 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So our answer is 9 by 16. Then fourth one. Fourth one, which is greater than? Which is greater? Which is greater? First one is 2 by 7. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 of 3 by 4 or 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 3 by 8. We solve the first and second term. The first one is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. It is compared to second one 3 by 4 of 3 by 8. First one 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 4 of 3 by 8. So which is the greater than? We compare the two numbers. The first part 2 by 7 of means into 3 by 4 is equal to 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. 2 4 cancel second table 1 2 is 2, 2 2 are 4. 1 2 is 2, 2 2 are 4. Next we multiply the numerator 1 into 3. Then divided by 7 into 4. 7 into 2. So our answer is 1 into 3 is equal to 3 by 7 to 14. Of 5 by 8. 3 by 5. Half means into 5 by 8. 5 5 cancel. Remaining the numerator part 3, the denominator part 8. So 3 by 8. We compare 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. Listen here. We compare 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. And 3 by 8. 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. You want to LCM 14 and 8 because we want to comparing 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. Which one is the greater than? So listen here. Here denominator 14, here denominator 8. Different denominators having. So we take LCM 14 and 8. 14 and 8. And 8. Listen here. 14, comma 8. Take the LCM part. Second table. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 4 2s are 8. Again second table. 7 not divided 2. 2 2s are 4. Again second table. 1 2 is 2. Next one, 7th table. 1 7 is 7. Here 1. LCM of 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 7 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Next 8 into 7 is equal to 56. So our LCM 4 and 6 is equal to 56. LCM of 4 and 8 is equal to 56. The first term is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. We want the denominator 56. 56. So we multiply the fourth table, numerator and denominator. 14 into 4. 14 into 4 is equal to 56. And then 3 4s are 12. So first one is answer 12 by 56. And the next one 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Here also we want to denominator 56 because LCM of 14 and 8 is equal to 56. So 8 into 7. 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. Numerator also multiplied by 7. 3 into 7. 21. So our answer is 21 divided by 56. Listen here. First one 12 divided by 56 and then second one 21 divided by 56. Our question part is which one is greater than? Which one is greater than? 56, 56. Denominator is same but numerator 12 and 21. Which one is the largest number? 21 divided by 56. 21 divided by 56. So 3 by 4, 3 by 14 greater than 3 by 8. 3 by 14 greater than 3 by 8. Question number 5. Solid plants 4 saplings. Solid plants 4 saplings. Sapling means young tree in a row in her garden. Solid plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. This distance between 2 adjacent saplings. This distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between first and last sapling. Find the distance between first and last sapling. See, plants 4 sapling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 sapling. Each distance is 3 by 4. 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. First one and then second one gap is 3 by 4. Then second one and third one gap is 3 by 4. Then third one, the fourth one gap is also 3 by 4. So here the distance between 2 sapling is 3 by 4 meter. So the distance between first and the last sapling. First and the last sapling. Each 3 by 4. Each sapling distance 3 by 4 into here having 3 gap having. That means 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 sapling. Each gap 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Each gap 3 by 4. First sapling and then second sapling. Third, fourth sapling. First gap, first distance is 3 by 4. Then second distance 3 by 4. Third distance 3 by 4. So 1, 2, 3. 3 gaps having. So we want to total distance first from last one. We want the distance first to last. First one to then last one. So 1, 2, 3. 3 into each gaps 3 by 4. Each distance is 3 by 4. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Then divided by 4. 3 3s are 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. We convert the mixed fraction. 2 quotient. Then remainder 1 divisor 4. So total distance is 2 by 2 into 1 by 4 meter. Total distance is 2 into 1 by 4 meter. The next one. So the distance between first and the last sibling is 3 by 4 meter into 3. 3 3s are 9 divided by 4 meter is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 meter. The next one. Question number 6. Lipka reads a book for 1 3 by 4 hours every day. The Lipka reads a book for 1 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. She reads the entire book in 6 days. So our question part is, how many hours in all were required by her to read book? So totally how many hours? Our question part is how many hours? So Lipka reads 1 into 3 by 4. Lipka reads 1 into 3 by 4 hours in every day. 1 into 3 by 4. We multiply the denominator into whole terms. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 by denominator 4. 7 by 4 hours per day. 7 by 4 hours a day. So, number of hours required to read books. So, total days 6 days is the hour is 7 by 4 per day. 7 by 4 into number of days 6. So 7 by 4 into 6. 7 by 4 into 6. Listen here. 7 by 4. 7 by 4 into 6. 7 by 4 into 6. 7 by 4 into 6. 7 by 4 is a time and 6 is a day. 6 is a days. 6 days time is 7 by 4. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. So 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. Then divided by 2. 21 divided by 2. 21 divided by 2. So get 10 times. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. 1 minus 0, 1. So our mixed fraction is 10 hours. 10 into 1 by 2 hours. So total time 10 into 1 by hours. Lipka reads 7 by 4 per day. Number of hours required by the here read to book in 6 days. 7 by 4 into 6 is equal to 20. 1 by 2 is equal to 10 into 1 by 2 hour. Next our homework part. Grade 7 homework. One question part. Second one. Second Roman 4, 5, 6, 7. Then question number 4, second part. Then question number 7 and question number 8. Thank you to all.